Hi kids! Today we will learn more on comparing decimal numbers. So let's get started. First of all, we will learn tenths, hundredths, and thousandths placed in a decimal number. Kids, first place to the right of the period is called tenths place. 0.4 or 4 by 10, we name it as 4 tenths, and it represents 4 parts out of 10 equal parts. Second place to the right of the period is called hundredths place. 0.04 or 4 by 100. We name it as 4 hundredths, and it represents 4 parts out of 100 equal parts. Now kids, what's the third place to the right of the decimal? Would be called thousandths place. It is called thousandths place. 0.004 or 4 by 1,000, we name it as 4 thousandths. And it represents 4 parts out of 1,000 equal parts. So, the farther the digit from the decimal, the smaller the fraction it represents. Tenths place means 1 part out of 10. Hundredths place means 1 part out of 100. And thousandths place means 1 part out of thousands. So, 0.1 is bigger than 0.01, and 0.01 is bigger than 0.001. Kids, here's a very important rule for you to remember. Adding any number of zeros to the right of a decimal number does not change the number. So, 0.5, 0.50, or 0.500 are the same. Now, let's see some instances when it is important to calculate and record numbers less than 1. A slice of pizza cost 1.45. Here it is a decimal number, where 1 is a whole number representing $1, and 0.45 is a fraction of $1, and it is 45 cents. So, 1.45 means $1.45. Let's take another example. Dan won the marathon by completing it in 2.30 hours. It is a decimal number, where 2 is a whole number representing 2 hours, and 0.30 is a fraction of an hour, and it is 30 minutes. Now, let's learn other ways of comparing decimals. When comparing decimals, begin on the left and look for the first place to compare the numbers. It's just a same way we compare our whole numbers. Now let's take an example. Let's compare 0.7 and 0.7. We have to start at left and look for the first place where the digits are different. And here, the leftmost digits are different. So comparing 7 and 0, we get 0.7 is bigger than 0.07. Now, let's take another example. Let's compare 0.5 and 0.005. We have to start at the left and look for the first place where the digits are different. And here, the leftmost digits are different. So, comparing 5 and 0, we get 0.5 is bigger than 0.005. Now let's take another example. Let's compare 0.34 and 0.36. We have to start at the left and look for the first place where the digits are different. And here, the digits at hundredths place are different. So comparing 4 and 6, we get 0.36 bigger than 0.34. Now let's take another example. Let's compare 4.5 and 4.2. We have to start at the left and look for the first place where the digits are different. And here, the digits at tenths place are different. So comparing 5 and 2, we get 4.5 more than 4.2. Now let's take another example. Let's compare 1.99 and 1.87. We have to start at the left and look for the first place where the digits are different. And here, the digits at tenths place are different. So comparing 9 and 8, we get 1.99 is more than 1.87. Now, let's take one more example. Let's compare 5.60 and 5.600. First of all, remember that zeros are rightmost places in decimal numbers have no value. So, 5.60 is the same as 5.6, and 5.600 is the same as 5.6. So, both the numbers are the same. So kids, today we have learned how to compare decimals. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!